In this video, I'll guide you through how to upload a Jupyter Notebook to GitHub. Whether you're sharing your work with the world or simply backing up your files, uploading your Jupyter Notebook to GitHub is a straightforward process. Let's walk through each step together and make sure you get it right the first time. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the repository where you plan to store your Jupyter Notebook. If you already have a repository set up for this purpose, head straight there. If not, don't worry. You can easily create a new one by clicking on the New button located on your GitHub dashboard. When creating a new repository, you have the option to make it public, where anyone can see your work, or private, where only you and those you invite can access it. Choose the option that best fits your needs. Once you're inside the repository where you want to upload your notebook, look for the Add File drop-down button. You'll find this near the top right of the file grid in your repository view. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Upload Files. This option will allow you to add new content directly from your computer to your repository. Now, it's time to upload your Jupyter Notebook. Locate your IPynb file on your desktop or within your file manager. You can easily identify it by the IPynb extension, which is specific to Jupyter Notebooks. Once you've found it, click and drag the file over to your web browser where it says Drag Files here to add them to your repository. Simply drop it in place and you'll see the file listed, ready for the next step. After your file appears in the upload area, scroll down a bit until you see the Commit Changes box. This section is crucial because it allows you to finalize the upload process. Here, you can enter a brief description of the changes or additions you're making, which is helpful for tracking the evolution of your project. You might write something simple like added initial Jupyter Notebook, or provide more detail if necessary. Before you hit the final button, make sure everything looks good. Double-check that you've uploaded the correct file and that the description accurately reflects the changes. Once you're ready, click on the Commit Changes button. Your Jupyter Notebook is now uploaded to GitHub, safely stored and accessible as needed. That's it. You've successfully uploaded your Jupyter Notebook to GitHub. This process not only helps you share your work with others, but also ensures that your projects are safely backed up in the cloud. Remember, GitHub is a powerful tool for collaboration and version control, so make the most of it by regularly updating your repositories with your latest work. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy coding.